guys, Jackson back here. Today I'm going to be driving around my snowy Hot Wheels town and show you around my snowy Hot Wheels town. So I'm going to hop in my car. I'm going to drive my Nissan Xterra all around the town for right now, and I'll come back and get a new car. Here's some snow right here. This is the snow I use. So this one's really wet. But yeah. And this is not real snow, or it is snow, but it's like not snow I got from outside, because it's July. It's not snowing where I'm at. It's not snowing in July, but in my playland it is. Yeah, there's the cul-de-sac over there. There's my house right there. There's my backyard and nothing. Got the Coca-Cola signs, American flag. I got a helmets in the window, and there's my garage. And there's my neighbor's house. There's my brother's house right there. But yeah, here's the Dunkin' Donuts and the Walmart right there. But yeah, get more snow sprinkled on some of these cars now. But yeah, so there's like the Walmart. There's the Dunkin' Donuts. And then here's like the entrance and exits to the neighborhood. There's like the utility vehicles parked. There's the apartments, the jail cell. There's my friend's house right there, and my other friend right there, my neighbor. There's ants in here for some reason. Like 2 I already saw. But that's where my brother parks his cars, on this property right here. And I'll show you my other property right there. There was a huge car crash right there. There's the minivan still smashed into my fence. Destroyed that. Hit my trailer too. Flipped the trailer. When it hit the trailer, it flipped. I hit the sign. Huge crash. Police cars are still there and all that. But right there is all the other cars involved in the wreck right there. And I'll come back to get my other car. And I'm probably going to drive my I might drive my Jeep. So I'm gonna hop in my Jeep, get all the snow off with my Jeep. Start driving and look at all that snow. It's like a car on my picnic table and a neighbor's picnic table. And then right there. Alright, and I'll show you my other property. So right there's my other property. It all got smashed in the car accident too. My fence and everything got knocked out. It was all like that. And that one was flipped over. I'm just trying to keep it how the wreck it was. Wasn't the wreck happened, but yeah. So there's like all the places in the town. And yeah, I'll show you the junkyard. I showed you in a bunch of videos, I'm sure, and previous videos right there. But just like I said, it's not snowing outside. You can obviously tell it's not snowing. It's no snow at all in July. But yeah, there's our drink and stuff. My brother liked. Yeah, but you can see it's not snowing at all. And then, yeah. I'll start getting my car out. What was I gonna show you? Oh, yeah. Over here is, ants in the road. this road was shut down for being too slippery. So I was like getting one of my cars and start drifting, which is, yeah, I'll show you that in that new video of me drifting car. But here, I'll start over here. My shed is collapsed over here. It's an old shop over here though. Yeah, pieces of it are down out of my shop. But yeah, that's all this, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.